we are going to learn how to write the uppercase and lowercase s. Remember, when we write or practice writing during this video, you are more than welcome to practice writing these letters in the air using your finger. You can practice by using your finger gently tracing and writing the letters on your screen. Or if someone is at home to help you, you are more than welcome to use a piece of paper and a writing utensil. I personally think that using your finger in the air is a lot of fun. So let's begin. First, we are going to learn how to write the uppercase S. The uppercase S has one step. To begin, we start at the top of our writing space. We curve left, coming down, and then we curve right. And that is how we write the uppercase S. It reminds me of a snake. Okay, let's practice together one more time. Get your finger ready. We start here. We curve to the left and down, and then to the right, curving all the way around and stopping there. That is how we write the uppercase S. Now, it's your turn, and I'm not going to help this time. I would love to see you do it all by yourself. Get your fingers ready and go ahead and write your uppercase S. Now, if your uppercase S looks like my uppercase S, then you did a fantastic job. Give yourself a pat on the back. Now, this is the lowercase s. The lowercase s looks just like our uppercase S, except it's much smaller. In our writing space, we use about half of the space needed for the uppercase S. We begin at our dashed line that you see here in the middle. Just like the uppercase S, the lowercase s is only one step, and it is the exact same step. We start here, we curve to the left, coming down, then we curve to the right. And that is how you write a lowercase s. Let's practice one more time together. Get your fingers ready. The lowercase s, we start here, curve down to the left, come around down to the right. Fantastic job. This time, I'm not going to help you. I would like you to do it first, and then I'll do it to check your answer. Get your finger ready and go ahead and write a lowercase s. Good job. Your lowercase s should look just like my lowercase s. Remember, much smaller movements with our finger if we're writing lowercase compared to our uppercase s. You're doing great. Now we're going to practice writing our uppercase s and our lowercase s. Get your finger ready. Let's do it again together. Our uppercase s, remember, we curve to the left, then curve to the right, coming down, and a slight curve back up. One step. We never lift our writing utensil or our finger the entire time. And again, it reminds us of a snake. The word snake also begins with the letter S. Now, let's practice one more time. Now moving to the right-hand side of our screen, and we're going to practice writing our lowercase s. Here we go. Down to the left, curving back around to the right, and we're done. That is how we write our lowercase s. Fantastic. Now it's your turn to do it all by yourself. Get your finger ready, and on the left-hand side of our screen, go ahead and practice writing the uppercase S. If your uppercase S looks like my uppercase S, then you did it correctly. Great job. Now let's go to the right-hand side of our screen and let's write our lowercase s. Again, same step as the uppercase S, just much smaller. Go ahead and do that now. Okay, let's see. We are going to now do it together. Let's check your work. If your lowercase s looks like my lowercase s, then you did it perfectly. Great job. And that is the end of our lesson today in learning how to write the letter S.